This video is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called My Recipe Finder. My Recipe Finder. It is advertised as a helpful tool that can help you find some good recipes online. And it does have some good recipes here. But the problem is that this My Recipe Finder also works as a browser hijacker. It changes a lot of browser settings without your permission. It changes the default homepage, the default search engine, and even the new tab URL. When you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered eventually by Yahoo Search. And when you open the new tab, you see this My Recipe Finder all the time. No matter how many blank tabs you attempt to open, you still have this hijacker. And of course, it also amends your homepage settings. How to fix this issue? Well, if you are not satisfied with such changes of your browser settings, you need to disable and delete this unwanted extension. For this purpose, go to the menu, click on More Tools, and now Extensions. You need to find this My Recipe Finder, deactivate the extension and remove it completely. I also recommend that you perform the additional checkup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and start scanning your Mac with this utility by clicking on Start Combo Scan button. This will begin the detailed investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific thread manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.